Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're back with 5 super easy DIY Halloween treats. Comment below and let me know if you guys decide to try any of these, and I hope you enjoy. I decided to make a healthier treat for my toddler, which consists of grapes, strawberries, and marshmallows. So these are like little ghost skewers. And what you do is you use your writing icing to make like little ghost faces or like little monster faces on the marshmallows. So this one is the spiders and spider web. I got this particular snack from Trinity J here on YouTube. This snack was probably my favorite. It was delicious and super easy. We are adding chocolate in the middle to bind the pretzels together, and then just go in a circle. Use your toothpick to give it more of a spider web look. And guys, I also ended up going back over my web to make it thicker. So next up we have little mummy pretzels. So you just take some waffle pretzels. I'm still using the same chocolate, and you make little zigzags and add eyeballs. My mother insisted that I add a huge eyeball to at least one of them. And last but not least, we have Frankenstein Rice Crispy Treats. My Rice Crispy Treats aren't perfect because I ended up making mine homemade, but you can get yours out of the store. And I ended up doing these with my mom and my daughter. And at the end, I want you guys to comment below which one you think looks best, number 1, number 2, or number 3. And that concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to comment below which Frankenstein looks best. I hope that some of these ideas are helpful or useful to you for Halloween. And yeah, see you in my next one. Bye.